If you are trying to save money but still look glamorous in terms of your lashes, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how I personally do my own DIY lashes at home versus going to a professional salon. I have a really tight schedule. I'm also trying to cut back on my monthly expenses, so that is why I've transitioned from going to salon, and I hope you find it helpful. I'm wearing some eye patches because I was looking so tired. I'm going to be using this lash extension kit. I will share the link in the description. Lashes look better when your eyes are framed by a pair of strong eyebrows. And right now I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then we're going to go in with the Airbrow. Now we are going to do my lash extensions. To start off, we are going to use eyelash curlers. We are going to apply some bond. This particular lash set has a bond and then a seal side to this mascara. The bond is what is going to make the fake lashes stick to your actual lashes. So you're going to want to apply quite a bit of it, and you'll notice it'll get sticky right away. The trick to applying these lash extensions and making them last a really long time is to first apply enough of the bond and then also pressing your lashes into your actual lashes as you go. So I'll kind of demonstrate what I personally do and what has worked for me. It does take a while to get a hang of it in the terms of trying to make each eye even, so you will want to remember what sizes you're putting onto your lashes, since usually puts the smaller ones towards the inner corner of your eye and then the bigger, fuller ones at the end. Just forget to bring the Q-tip. Apply a good amount, just wiping it a little bit, because I feel like once this bond dries, it's just a little bit more challenging to take off. Okay, and then I'm gonna go starting with the smaller size. I think it starts, there's a 30D and a 40D. Let's go with the 40D because I'm feeling like the dramatic glam look. Starting with size 9 and it goes all the way up to size 16. Starting with the smaller one, I am going to place it close to my lash line, and you're gonna want to press it into your lashes. The inner corner is always a little challenging. Yeah, size 11. Here we go. I'm just gonna squeeze them to my actual lashes. You don't want to put it too close to your eye because then it might like irritate you a little bit or just like itch. And if you do, you can easily just like remove it with a little bit of coconut oil or whatever oil you prefer to use. There we go. If you are trying to go for a less glam look or dramatic eye, you can also separate like the lash extensions or have more of a gap in between each one. Up to you. I personally like to stack them side by side so they're really close together and give me that full eye lift. But if you're going for less glam, you can definitely start with like a very natural. I feel like I'm getting better at this every time I do it. Hi, now we're going to 15. The longest size I have in this kit is size 16. We're gonna put that one right at the end of corner of eye. And then what I like to do sometimes is to grab the little lashes that I missed at the end and kind of press them into my lashes. Press your lash extensions into your eyelash. So now that our lash is full, before we do the other side, we are going to go in with the seal side of this mascara. It's not actually mascara, but I call it mascara. Then we're just going to coat it. And this is what gets rid of the stickiness, but also helps your lashes last longer by bonding or sealing your lashes to your real lashes. Now it's time to do the other side. Wow, no lashes. Lashes. I'm obsessed. Opens up your freaking eye. Like it looks just attention grabbing. Kind of stopped doing my makeup just because I've been so busy. I still enjoy playing with makeup, but I haven't been doing it on the daily. My skin has been loving me not doing my makeup. I feel like I want to still feel cute and I still want to feel presentable. Say I have to go on camera for like a meeting. I work remotely from home, so if I have a meeting, I just want to be presentable and I'll have to like, I don't know, do my makeup for like one 10-minute meeting. Now we're gonna do the other side. Mascara is on, so starting with the small size, we are going to start with our inner corner and try to make it even. We're going with size 11. Now we're doing 12s, size 13, size 14, cool. And then we're gonna do 15, 16. Okay, I think I have to do one more, size 16. Yeah,
just to make sure that it looks even.
And now we're going to use our tweezers to gently squeeze our extensions onto our actual lashes. If you want your lashes to last long, you are going to want to apply quite a bit of this. I personally do not wear makeup, such as eyeliner. If I wear mascara, it's only on the bottom lashes because I know that's going to make these just clumpy and unsanitary, and our lashes are all set. Lashes are done, and basically we have saved. When I used to go get my lash extensions done professionally, they were $150 per set, and then refills were almost like $75 to $100 if I would go like every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks, versus what I do now. I basically use DIY lash extensions like this, and it ends up saving me so much money because these are only about $20 per box, and they last me over a month. I think these are gonna last me like 3 months because I've only been doing a refill every week. I kind of let my lashes fall to a really good point, and then I completely remove them and then just start over and reapply them fresh, like from a fresh start, because I feel like that is the best way that I'm able to achieve a full even look. What I like about these is that you can really play with how glamorous or natural you want it to look. So you are the one in control. It does not make your eyes red how regular eyelash extensions do, due to the little cotton pad that they would place under your eye. At least with my lash techs, they would tend to place it a little too close to my actual eye and irritate me, so I would get the red line. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Dee Sadi, and I enjoy making wellness and beauty content, so if you're interested in that, you can check out my playlist at the end of this video, as well as what is recommended based on your personal interests. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!